You can completely start from scratch with your brand and set yourself apart and stand out and find exactly what it is that you want to offer. Whether you want to be a minimalist brand where you don't want a whole bunch of graphics and whole bunch of writing on the picture and whole bunch of glitter and bright neon letters. If you want something minimalist, if you want it to look clean. Hey, welcome back to another video. As y'all know, I'm gonna keep coming, giving y'all all the tea on building your new business, starting out as a new cosmetologist or student or aspiring cosmetologist, whether you work from home, a salon, a suite, whether you work independently. If you are working in a traditional salon setting based off commission or just the hourly rate, and you know in the future you want to work for yourself, then of course these videos are for all of you. And it's not just subject to cosmetologists. You can take these tips even if you start an online boutique, right? So never think just because it's solely based on cosmetologists that you can't receive any of this information or pass it along to one of your homegirls. I always say, think of me as your virtual mentor, bestie, resource. As much as I can do and as much as I can help, I will. Before I get to rambling, let me introduce myself. If you are new, I am JD, owner and stylist of J Nicole Custom LLC. I am a licensed cosmetologist based in Michigan. I specialize in protective styling, natural hair, and just overall the maintenance and health of our hair, making sure that my clients maintain the integrity of their hair and reach their goals. Whatever the case is, I'm just here to help assist, and I just love to educate and just, you know, help along the journey. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boo, I love to see you. I hope we said it together now. Hey girl, hey boo, I love to see you. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to talk about all the apps that I love to use to help brand and market my business. I use these apps for all the platforms I'm on. My promotional marketing, my everyday marketing, my tip marketing, like everything is under this one umbrella. So not teaching you how to do anything on these apps. I am just solely giving you these apps to kind of search, play around with. I'm not showing y'all how to do anything, but I will just kind of give you, I'm just gonna give you an overview of how I like to use the apps and why they are most helpful for me. Less is more. Like I said though, I mentioned in the previous video how important it is to pay for your apps. I'm probably gonna say that a couple times in this video because it's really important to experience everything the app offers, because sometimes when you are just on the free version, you don't get as much as many options and many features as you would if you were to pay. So you can look at that as an investment, literally a $15 investment, one-time yearly fee, and you got graphics for the rest of the year, you know? So let's jump right on into this video because y'all know I love long intros and I can never be quiet. I don't know how to be quiet and get to the point. Okay, yeah, so y'all know 5, and we gonna do 5 and thrive. So the first app I absolutely love, and that's literally how I edit all my videos, and I say recommend, is InShot. You can do Reels, you can do TikToks, you can do YouTube videos, you can do Instagram short videos, you can do everything you need to do on InShot. And as you can see, they just offer you a lot. They offer plugins, music, free music. So if you have a YouTube, they do offer the free for profit music. You just have to make sure there's not an icon of a $sign and like a check mark by it, and you all good. But you can clip, splice, add to, do a voiceover, and you can even edit pictures just depending on, you know, what you want to use it for. I only use it for videos only. And you also, one of my favorite things you can do, you can download your own text font. So if y'all are familiar with defont.com, you can download any text fonts that you want and add them to the InShot app. And the plus about this too, InShot actually has a YouTube, and other people just upload many tutorials. I'm talking like 2-minute tutorials showing you how to do anything on the app. They have a lot of cool features. I honestly don't even think I use the app to my to the fullest potential, because I don't do a lot of I like to keep things super simple. Like, I do not like to complicate things. I want to simplify them as much as possible. But you can add filters to your videos. You can do Like I said, stickers. You can do so much to the videos. Love InShot. Play around with it, and just be creative. You don't have to do, like I said, you don't have to do a whole lot. Like, make it easy for you and just start with, you know, a minute clip, or you can change the size of the video format to fit either a reel, a TikTok, an Instagram, a Facebook, a YouTube, whatever you want to do. It gives you that option to check the chicken. So the next app is Lightroom. Now Lightroom is what I use to edit my pictures. The Lightroom, which is where you can upload all your pictures and edit your pictures. And I love Adobe because they have already some presets made. But if y'all ever see pictures that are really cute and like really vibey and got that warm tone or that white tone, anytime you see somebody Instagram and it's like an aesthetic and everything is cohesive, they're more than likely using like a Lightroom, or I only know of Lightroom, honestly, that allows you to purchase presets. So you have photographers who sell presets. There's many websites. I'm gonna try to find a website that I go through. I haven't downloaded any in a long time, but you can find so many different presets, little to nothing. Like the last time I bought presets, I bought 3 and got 3 free off for $14.99. So that was 6 sets of presets, meaning I had 6 sets of just cohesive filters to use. My favorite are normally like the black girl ones, of course, because I do my clients. The filters really do them justice, and it just helps with the aesthetic of my brand. As of recently, I really haven't been using the presets as much. I've kind of grown away from using filters as much as I did. Even though that's not to say I will never use filters again on my page, because more than likely you might see one next week because I just like the look of it. But overall, because I do hair, it's kind of hard to put the filter on there so people can get the real view of what it really looks like and the process and everything. So I love Lightroom. It's really easy. Every time you download a preset, it gives you a downloadable link that shows you exactly what to do. Sometimes it's a little time consuming, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. And like I said, there's nothing like Lightroom, because if you have an iPhone or a really good phone or even a camera, it allows that quality to remain the same, and it actually makes the quality better. Actually makes the quality better when you go to download your picture and save it, because you know sometimes when you use different apps, the quality kind of downgrades a little bit after you download it or save it, and it's just all wonky looking and grainy looking sometimes. So I really love Lightroom. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Always check the description box, because any links that I can link to anything that I'm talking about, I'm always gonna link it. So third app that I absolutely love is the most popular app that y'all probably ever have heard, Canva. And I actually said Canva and Pinterest. So Canva is overall, you can do everything you want to do. You can do intros, you can do thumbnails, you can do promotional posts, you can do highlight covers, you can do TikTok. You could do everything on Canva. If you are not familiar with Canva, I'm kind of scared of you, because I think everybody knows about Canva. Even people who not in business knows about Canva, because you can do a lot with Canva, and they offer you a lot. And of course you want the pro version, because again, you get the benefits of everything on the app, and it's absolutely endless. And what I love most, which I'm gonna get to in my next 4th app one, but what I love most is you can create it from scratch, or you can use their templates and just adjust what it is that you like. Again, they have so many tutorials on YouTube. You have so many different resources to search and know, like, kind of pick up what you need and figure out how to do something. That is what I love about YouTube as well. Like, y'all can learn so much on YouTube when it comes to technical and like marketing and branding and stuff. I love Canva. I love Canva. You can make logos. I try not to do too much on Canva, because it is super popular. So you're bound to run into somebody with the same text font. You bound to run into 4 or 5 different people with the same text font, and you can just automatically tell what app they're using. They also offer an option to like use their pictures, different stock photos that they have. Stock photos, which is just a collection of photos that look professional. They got everything from food to shoes to music they got everything. So if you do not know about Canva, well, now you know. But I know a lot of y'all know about Canva. And along with Canva, I say Pinterest because, like I mentioned, the stock photos that Canva offers, I find Pinterest to have more vibey, cute pictures, especially for me, even if it comes to like a mood board. But I like Pinterest because you can find really cute pictures on Pinterest, and you have a lot of like variety on Pinterest. I like Canva and Pinterest together. Y'all know what Pinterest is. I'm not gonna like go over Pinterest because Pinterest is just like the world of just pictures. It's like social media without the social. I seen it on Facebook, and that's so true. Pinterest is literally the social media without the social, and I think we can all appreciate that because not every time you get on social media you want to like get distracted by the comments or how many people like something, or you just want to see cute stuff. You just want to see cute stuff. You want to search Starbucks order drinks. You want to do, you know, use it for that. So the fourth app, which I love, I also mentioned in another previous video that I uploaded recently, is Etsy. It's Etsy, y'all. I love Etsy. Etsy is the coolest shop to me. Etsy is like the world of small business owners. You are 9 times out of 10 supporting a small business owner. Etsy is like a flea market online. You can find everything you want on Etsy. You can find clothes, you can find jewelry, you can find filters, you can find mugs, you can even find business templates, and that's what I'm getting to. So you can find business templates on Etsy. I showed it in a previous video when I talked about how to attract the clientele that you want, I believe, or the one before that, I'm not sure. So Etsy, you can literally find business templates like these. You can find them to match your brand aesthetic. I'm sorry if y'all hear the dryer. I'm so sorry if y'all hear this dryer. My sister just decided to start the clothes mid-video, so I apologize for that. But anyway, so you can find business templates, you can find letterheads for resumes, you can find business card templates, you can find label templates, you can find everything you need for your business as far as marketing and branding on Etsy. And like I said, you are supporting a small business owner more than likely. And the thing I love, the number one thing I love, y'all, is the pricing. The pricing for Etsy and what you can get on Etsy and the quality is unmatched. It's unmatched. And I mentioned Canva first because with Etsy, a lot of creators who create different business templates and business marketing and branding, they are using Canva as their layout. But essentially all you are doing is buying something that they've already pre-created. You download it and then it goes straight to your Canva and you just insert your information. It's so easy, and that is probably the best thing that I can offer you in this video, honestly. Between Canva and Etsy, you can completely start from scratch with your brand and set yourself apart and stand out and find exactly what it is that you want to offer. Whether you want to be a minimalist brand where you don't want a whole bunch of graphics and whole bunch of writing on the picture and whole bunch of glitter and bright neon letters. If you want something minimalist, if you want it to look clean, if you want it to just look really clean and really like eye-catching, Etsy, y'all, I promise you. And it's all types of different things you can find on here, and aesthetics that you can find on Etsy. And like I said, they normally are working right with Canva, whoever the seller is. So definitely check out Etsy. Etsy is a free website. You just purchase whatever it is that you want to purchase. 10 out of 10 recommend Etsy. If you are not on Etsy, get on Etsy and thank me later, bestie. Why did I try to rhyme? I don't know. But last app that I am going to share with y'all that I used for a while. I don't use it as much now because I've kind of got the groove of my Instagram feed that works for me. But this app helped me stay organized, helped me stay up to date, helped me track my analytics, helped me do a lot the past year. I downloaded this app, you can see. But essentially, Plan is the app where you plan out your social media content. And I know with a lot of people trying to make everything look cohesive and appealing when you first come on the page, eye-catching and have that aesthetic, sometimes you kind of look like, you know, oh my God, does this look too chaotic? Does this look too jumbled up? Does this look right? Is this doing too much? So it's kind of hard sometimes. However, with Plan, You can knock that second guessing out the way, because with Plan you are able to move around the tiles and see what looks right. You can upload either their pictures, because they also have stock photos, or you can upload all of your content to see. You can actually set yourself a reminder and the app will remind you when to upload. It offers you features like seeing when you have the most traffic and the most engagement on your profile, what tags work. You can set up the list of tags that you actually want to use every time you upload, and you can save them and just pin them in when you go to write your caption. And you can even go as far as writing a caption and having that ready to copy and paste when you go to upload on your Instagram page. You can connect it to your Facebook. I don't think YouTube or anything, but I definitely know Instagram. It also helps you to cohesively upload content. So it gives you an example of how, if you wanted to upload because you were having a sale or a raffle, it literally give you a layout of posts that you should post. So behind the scenes, client review, raffle, another behind the scenes, a picture of what the raffle is. Like, it gives you inspiration. It literally tells you exactly what to do. And starting out, that's really what it is. It's like having somebody just tell you what to do. Like, what do I do? And you literally, that's me for real. Like, when I want to know something, I don't want you trying to get me to read between the lines and trying to, you know, say, well, you know, give me a half-assed answer. Please tell me what to do. Can you just break everything down into like a 12-step program for me? And I promise you, that's all I want. That's all I need. And this is essentially what it does in this app. This is basically what you get out this app. I really love this app, especially if you have an assistant even. So that is definitely something that I'm going to utilize once I do have an assistant. Once I find an assistant, is Plan, because they are able to see what they're uploading before it's uploaded and just to see if it flows. That is all for the app. These apps are beginner friendly, and believe me, don't believe me, you will believe me if you download these apps. All of these apps that I am mentioning, I have paid full for the premium pro version. I don't use any apps that I'm using for my brands. I don't use the free version at all. That is all for the apps. These are all the apps that I love. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything down below, every app, and also the preset site. Once I find it, I will link it. But I hope this helped y'all. Again, download these apps, play around with these apps, and consider an investment. If you like any of the apps, consider this an investment to your business, to help further your business. So use these apps, utilize these apps, use everything that these apps offer, and use YouTube to search how to actually do something in the app. If you are not sure, if you do not know, use YouTube. Literally search your question in YouTube. I promise you there's a tutorial that's gonna pop up for you. But yeah, that is pretty much it in this video. If y'all have any suggestions of things that y'all might want to see or might want to know from my perspective or my tips, leave them below, of course, and I will definitely either respond back to you or make a video depending on how good the actual, you know, suggestion or question is. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I will see y'all in my next video.